Okay, so let's create a Spark video on ma routine quotidienne. So I've got a list of 7 sentences, I think it is here, 8 including the title. So I'm going to do 8 slides in my video. So let me just get that first, and I'm going to copy that, and then I can go to the plus on the left hand side and go down to video. I can give it a title. There we go. Okay, get rid of that tutorial because I'm going to show you. And I think the first thing I'll do is I'll pick a theme. Now I quite like the statement themes. I think they're quite good, and we'll use the French blue to make it all nice and stylized. And in this first slide here, I think I'm just going to stick some text, ma routine quotidienne, and I'll use a full screen. It's telling me I can drag that around if I want to. That's fine. Maybe have it in the bottom left. I can also change the size of it if I want to, if I think it's too big. There we go. And then what I'm going to do here is look for a photo. Now I use to find free photos because they're copyright free, and there's also loads to choose from. But if you can upload them or connect them to one of these things like Google Drive or something like that. But here I'm going to look. I'm just going to put routine in because I think it's quite a good one. Yeah, there we go. That's kind of like an organizer sort of style thing. So that kind of gives this idea of order and routine. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to record my voiceover. I need to allow the microphone. Ma routine quotidienne. Okay, so you just hold the button down and then record your voice. Easy as that. Next section here. This one is all about introducing yourself and saying what time you get up. This girl gets up at 6:30. Blimey, fair play to her. Right, now I'm going to go straight in with a split screen, I think. Why not? And then on the right-hand side, I'll put in a photo. I mean, this could be a good place to put in a little icon, actually. It could be... I don't know, something like yawn. Oh, yeah, we do. Got something like that. So you could go with something like that, but I actually think photos are just way better. Depends on what you're doing, really, but I do think photos are better. So maybe we'll put yawn in there. We've got baby yawning. Oh, there we go. There's a little girl yawning there. So that'll be quite a good one. Salut, je m'appelle Sophie. Normalement, je me lève à 6h30. Okay, next one. We're going quite quickly here. This is about getting a shower at 6:45. I don't know how these people do it. So I'll put my text in. There we go. I can change it to a caption if I like. That makes it a little bit more subtle. And then as a photo, instead of yawn, I could put shower. Oh, better spell it right first, didn't I? There we go. That one's a good one. I like that. Okay. Puis je me douche à 7h moins le quart. Okay, now this one's breakfast at 7. Now this is an easy one. So I'll go here. Again, I'll put a photo behind it and I'll just put breakfast in. Look at all these shots that come up for breakfast. I mean, genuinely, who makes a breakfast like that? Apparently these people do. Then add in my text. And I can change it, depending on what I want to do. I can make it into a split screen maybe. Maybe I'll do that just for a bit of variety. There we go. Je prends mon petit déjeuner à 7h. So you just keep on doing that as you go. Add in when you arrive at school. Here we'll go a photo again. So I could just put school in here, see what comes up. Got all sorts of things here. There was a really good one for a classroom, actually. Where was it? There you go, that'll do. They're looking particularly excited. You can zoom into these photos if you like, if you think that would be good. There we go, why not? And then put a little text on top. J'arrive à l'école à 8h. So you just build up your picture here. You can see I've done some split screens. I've done some with caption text. I've done a split screen again. I've done a full screen here. And you can change things like the theme just by going to the right-hand side and choosing a different style of theme. You can preview what the transitions and things are like just by holding your mouse over the window or your cursor over the window. And you can also change the music as well. Well, I do know that there is a Parisian style. Where's the Parisian style? There it is. Paris in the 20s. Here you go. You can preview by pressing the play down the left-hand side. I can hear this in my headphones and then select it by doing that. When you're ready to share it, you can either download it to your machine just by clicking download, this button here, or you can press share and publish. Now, create the link. And normally videos take, a couple of minutes sometimes, depending on how big it is. So I'll just fast forward through this section. And then when it's ready, you've got a link you can copy there, or you can send it to Google Classrooms and send it into your teacher that way. And when you've got your link, you can copy it stick it into another tab, and there you go. There's your video ready to play. Bonne chance!